In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate your videos 3 different ways. So let's get into it. So once we're inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, we have a brand new sequence created and we've got some footage on the timeline. We can begin with rotation 1. So we're going to select our video. We'll go up to the motion tab. So effect controls, motion, we'll go down to rotation. And if we select this 0 and we pull this to the right, then we're going to rotate our video clockwise. If you pull to the left, then we're going to rotate it counterclockwise. Of course, if you wanted to add some animation and you wanted this to animate over time, then you would create a brand new keyframe on rotation by pressing this toggle animation button, move to the right a few seconds, increase to the value that you choose, and then when we play this back, there we go. We've got this really slow rotation. The video is rotating 91 degrees clockwise. So that is rotation number 1. Rotation number 2 involves going into the effects tab. So we'll go into effects and we'll search for basic 3D. Basic 3D should be under perspective. We're just going to drop that plugin onto our footage and that will bring up this setting over here on our video effects tab. And in basic 3D, we've got swivel and we've got tilt. Swivel is rotation 2 and then tilt is rotation 3. So if we wanted to animate the swivel, so this is our second rotation. Again, we'll create a keyframe at the very beginning, toggle animation, move to the right, and we'll increase our swivel animation. So this is now flipped 180 degrees in one direction. So we'll play this back, and we've got our second rotation now happening. And then of course, we're going to do the same thing to tilt to create our third rotation, create a brand new keyframe, move to the right, increase this to around 180, and it has now flipped upside down. So as you can see, we've got a 181 degree tilt upside down, and that is rotation 3. Rotating video is a really quick and really simple thing to do inside of Adobe Premiere Pro, and all you have to do is select basic 3D or use the basic rotation in the motion tab, and you're going to be able to rotate your video any way that you like. Of course, if you wanted to combine all 3 of these, then you can do so by just changing the values individually. So we can rotate it with rotation 1, so just our rotation. We can add a little bit of swivel and a little bit of tilt, and we've got ourselves a really unique rotation. So there you go. Thank you for watching this video. I really appreciate your support, and I will see you on the next video. See you there.